Welcome to Wish Farms in Plant City, Florida. Misty the Garden Pixie is our mascot and our inspiration. Everything here reflects the magic and the playfulness of our brand. It was important that we honored those who made Wish Farms what it is today. So every shared space here is named after people from our company's history, starting with our founder, Harris Wishnatski. Our people are at the center of everything we do. This isn't just an office, it's a place where employees' physical and mental health are part of the everyday culture. To this day, we're still very much a family operation. After all, food is our business. Here in the cafe, it's the ideal spot for our team to come together, enjoy a good meal, and build relationships. There's a lot going on in the office, but the warehouse is where the action is. This state-of-the-art facility is not only exceptionally efficient, but its location next to Interstate 4 and proximity to large markets in the southeastern U.S. give us a huge competitive advantage and is a great asset for our customers. This building serves quite a few functions. First is strawberry pre-cooling. This cutting-edge equipment force air cools the berries from 80 degrees to 34 degrees in about 90 minutes, using half the amount of energy as traditional pre-cooling methods. Speaking of energy, we use a lot of it around here. So we put a huge solar array to reduce our carbon footprint. These 2,100 panels generate 1.6 gigawatts of energy annually, enough to power 117 Florida homes per year. This top seal machine is the world's fastest single-lane tray sealer. Its fully electric design reduces energy consumption by about 50%. During the peak Florida season, one of our competitive advantages is our processing line. Here we're able to divert berries off the market. We produce a sliced or puree product that is used in everything from smoothies to ice cream. Our quality control program is a highly structured and thorough process. Our QC staff uses custom software to grade and track product as it enters and exits the building. The reports they generate give our whole team the information they need to supply our customers with exactly what they want. From here, our dedicated shipping team loads up the truck and ships these delicious berries to you. We hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you're ever in the neighborhood, stop on by. The slide will be waiting for you.